Hey, 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 water signs. This is your sacred scribe here, ready to do your August monthly reading. This is a dose of love from the trees, and this is Sandra here. So Sandra, what have you got for the water signs for August? Ooh, movement. Fast movement this August for you water signs. Some of you may be vacationing out in the wilderness. Nature may be calling you. Seals. Sandra's showing me seals in the water. Some of you may be, swimming with the seals or come into contact with a seal. Lightening your heart space is something that will be wide open for you to do in the month of August. Some of you are aware of this. Some of you know that meditation is the way in to lightening of the heart space, to lightening of the auric field. The colors of your aura will actually become lighter and brighter. I'm seeing a sparkling aura.